Kara's Diary, scene 11, take 1. Action. Speed. Action.
I was scrolling. Did you see me?
You made it more Tyler Perry.
Stop.
All right.
It's just not gonna happen.
Okay. Now you acting like Medea.
Okay. 10.
Now you acting like Medea. What y'all looking at?
Can't laugh. Action. Cut.
Oh yeah.
Go. It's way too dangerous for you guys.
Your part.
You have to wait till she says action. You have to wait till she says action.
Every time I say rolling. Rolling is rolling. Speed.
Pinky promise.
We gotta do this again.
Did you see me?
We got to do this again. One more time. One more time. We got it. We got it. Just make sure you say pinky.
I'm sitting up there like this.
You're like,
That
oh my God.
last
Yes. He said he won't. He won't. I promise. Pinky promise. Pinky promise. Just say pinky promise.
Wait a minute. Can
I know.
y'all do the pinky promise right quick? Like when y'all lock pinkies, real quick, please.
So you can see it. Okay.
Yeah.